Well, hi boys and girls. I'm so glad you're here at Twist and Turns. I'm Don Bobdon and I'm so glad to see you. I was just sitting here thinking about all the different types of jobs that grown-ups have. I got an idea. How about I say a job and then we do the sound that that job makes? Okay, here's what we'll do. We'll start with firefighter. What sound does a firefighter make? That's right. Can you do that sound too? That's silly. Okay, let's try a police officer. What sound does a police officer's car make? Can you make that sound? What about a hairdresser? Somebody that cuts your hair. What's it sound like when you cut hair? Can you make that sound? That's so silly. Okay, what about somebody that scans your groceries at the supermarket? Somebody takes the item and then they scan it. What sound does that make? Can you make that sound? That's awesome. There are so many different types of jobs that people have, so many different types of people. And you know what? God loves all of them. That's right. Your parents, your neighbors, He loves your friends, He loves your teachers, even the people that are kind of mean to us. God loves them. And we should too. So remember, whether it's a firefighter, or a police officer, or a hairdresser, or somebody that scans groceries, God loves everyone, and He loves me, and He loves you. Okay, bye.